As educators, it is essential we know what differentiation really means. So, tell me, what comes to mind when you hear the word differentiation? Is it highly detailed lesson plans, more resources, more marking, more feedback? If it is, let's just stop you right there. Differentiation doesn't mean doing more. It means doing what works for your learners. At its core, differentiation is simply this: adapting teaching to meet the needs of different learners. Imagine you're a tailor. You have one design, but different sizes. That's what differentiation looks like. The same goal, different routes to get there. It's not about lowering expectations or creating 30 versions of every worksheet. It's about building flexibility into your teaching without losing focus on your learning outcomes. There are 4 ways you can differentiate: content, what they learn; process, how they learn it; product, how they show their learning; and environment, the space and conditions for learning. You don't have to do all 4. Start with one. So how does this work in a real classroom? Let's say you're teaching persuasive writing. Some students might watch a video breakdown. Others might analyse a model text. Some work in pairs. Others work solo. One student presents their argument as a speech. Another designs a poster. Same learning objective. Different ways to get there. That's differentiation. It's intentional, inclusive, and smart. Differentiation isn't extra. It's what great teaching already does, making space for every learner to access the learning, engage in it, and succeed. So next time you plan a lesson, ask, where can I build in a little choice, a little flexibility, or a little support? If you do that, you're already differentiating and making a big difference.